In this video, you will learn how to sell on Amazon with Printify. First, set up an Amazon seller account. Go to the Amazon seller website and sign up for an Amazon seller account. Here, you can choose between individual or professional plans. The professional plan is recommended if you plan to sell a lot of products. Create a Printify account. Go to Printify and sign up for a free account. Integrate Printify with Amazon. Printify does not have direct integration with Amazon, like it does with Shopify or Etsy. However, you can use a third-party integration tool, like Shopify, to connect Printify with your Amazon account. Set up a Shopify store, then connect it with Amazon using Amazon Sales Channel. Design your product in Printify. Choose a product, such as a t-shirt, mug, phone case, from the Printify catalogue. Upload your design, customize the product, and set your price. List your product on Amazon. Here, your product is ready in Printify. Sync them with your Amazon store via the third-party integration. Create a product listing on Amazon. Include a title, description, and keywords for each product. Make sure your product detail matches Amazon's list requirements. Set up shipping and fulfillment. In Amazon Seller, configure your shipping settings to include Printify fulfillment and shipping details. When a customer buys your Amazon store or buys from it, Printify will handle shipping directly to the customer, so you do not have to deal with it. Promote your products. Once your products are live on Amazon, promote them using Amazon ads or through external, such as social media or email marketing. Monitor your sales. Check your Amazon seller account to manage your customer service and manage orders. Printify will do the fulfilling and shipping your products on your behalf, so you can keep the profit from the sale. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.